Kini nga bagyo nga peti unyang nga kusuga, no? So naghapon tay gamay nga kahayag may gala nga makita. Pinagi ni nga to ang pagtan-aw ato mga kinayahan, no? I hope dili ni mga guba sa bintaw ni nga to mga kinayahan nga nindot kayo, no? Kini ato mga tourist destination bigadalino nga maagian unya, no? Maagian unya atol sa kining pagsudyod sa bagyo, no? Bagyo. I hope nga dili ni mga guba intaw ni nga to ang mga kuan ni ato
Mommy, the bathroom has water in it. Come quickly!
I try very hard to be in control of her and everything, but may as well not even be there at all.
I don't like how it feels when I saw it.
Just stay there, okay? Just hold on.
How deep is it? Are we gonna die? Is the house gonna fall on top of us? Mommy!
Hey, we just got home, and you would not believe.
We are out of time. I have another patient coming, so
Wait, now? What about the 10-minute warning?
yeah, I just wasn't paying attention.
You didn't respond to the email that I sent you about my dream.
I don't respond to my clients' dream emails.
I know you have a lot on your plate, but she's getting better, and the rest of it is totally temporary. You need to be a team. This whole
I know. The problem with that logic, though, is that I'm not a housewife. I work, too.
oh,
I can see you now.
You've missed the last few weeks of family session.
I told you what happened. Our entire ceiling fell down, and we're living out of the hotel.
Yes on these, but no on the wine.
But it isn't even 2.
It's 1:58. By the time I ring these up, it will be past 2.
Yo, Crazy Pants. I was gonna partake in surfing the web for some things that I'm into.
What kind of stuff? I'm supposed to know how to fix this. I'm supposed to know how to fix her.
What is it you think it's your job to fix?
I'm asking you what I'm supposed to do. Can you hear me?
I would like you to get a good night's sleep.
Whatever. This isn't supposed to be what it's like. This isn't it. This can't be it. Everything is under control.
Mula sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya hanggang sa outside world, bumuhos ang emosyon ng latest duo evictee sa PBB Celebrity Collab Edition na sina Shuvi Etrata at Clarice de Guzman, aka Shukla. Sa paglabas ng Shukla, they were still wearing their best smiles. Angat din ang kanilang bubbly personalities na minahal na ng taong bayan.
Ang dami kong naging struggle sa bahay po ni Kuya. Pero because of them, my dream turned into a reality.
Fried chicken ang unang hinanap ni Shuvi.
Imagine mo isang drumstick, 5 tao. 5 tao ang kakasya dyan. Tumaba din kami doon kasi ang kinakain namin kasi walang karne, puro chips. Chips sa kanin.
Of course, may pa-warm welcome din ang kanilang loved ones. Si Shuvi, winelcome ng kanyang besties, kabilang si ex-PBB housemate Ashley Ortega, pati ng Sparkle executive sa pangunguna ni First Vice President for Sparkle GMA Artist Center, Joy Marcelo. Naroon din ang kapwa Sparkle artists at ang kanyang version ng TDH, si Anthony Constantino. Tall, dark, and handsome. Biro tuloy ng netizens, evicted man si Shuvi, ay tila siya pa rin daw ang big winner. Hirit naman ni Maom o Ate Klang. Pero ang island ate ng Cebu di na napigilang maging emosyonal nang makausap via video call ang kanyang pamilya.
Ayun, nag-video call po kami kaagad. Nag-sorry ako. Nung lumabas po ako, nasaktan lang po ako na hindi ko po nagawa yung promise ko sa kanila na maging big winner. And, yun. Pero, naging masaya naman po sila sa akin and naging proud naman daw po sila sa akin.
Full support din kay Shuvi si GMA Network Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez na tinawag siyang big winner. Nawala man si Shuvi sa PBB, mapapanood nyo naman siya sa Encantadia Chronicles Sangre kung saan gaganap siya bilang si Veshdita.
I'm very excited. We've been working hard for this 2 years even para po pagandahin ang show na to para sa inyo. Encantadia!
Nelson Canlas nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.